Ready to claim your spot on the internet? Today, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name in just 3 simple steps. Let's dive in. A domain registrar is a company that manages the domain registration process for you. Step 1. When selecting a registrar, make sure they're ICANN accredited. This ensures they're secure and credible. Also check for quality customer support, competitive pricing, and free domain privacy protection. GoDaddy checks all these boxes and offers hundreds of domain extensions to choose from. Step 2. Head to your registrar's website and search for the domain name you want. If your first choice is taken, don't worry. You can try different extensions like .co or .biz or use our AI-powered domain name generator to discover creative alternatives. Just enter your business idea, and you'll get plenty of great suggestions. Step 3. Found the perfect domain? Add it to your cart, select your registration period, anywhere from 1 to 10 years, review any extras you might want, and check out. That's it. Your domain is now yours and ready to use. And there you have it. 3 easy steps to buy your domain name. Ready to get started? Visit GoDaddy.com today.